Okay, day 6, we're gonna hop into the questions. Question number 1. How many hours of pre-licensing are required for a California life license only? That would be 20 hours of life only plus 12 hours of ethics, so the total is 32 hours. Not sure if that'll be on the test, but it is good to know. Question number 2. What is the maximum fine for violating a cease and desist order in California? The maximum fine is $5,000 per act, or till $10,000 if willful. Question number 3. What does transacting insurance include? That includes soliciting, negotiating, selling, and servicing insurance. That would be transacting. Question number 4. How long must agents keep policy transaction records? This was in a previous day, so you should know it, but if you don't, 5 years. You must keep your records for 5 years. Question number 5. What type of authority does the public think the agent has? And that's apparent authority. It's everything that we're expressing in the written information that we give them and also the things that we tell them verbally. Question number 6. What is required for a valid contract? That would be the agreement, consideration, competent parties, and legal purpose. So when working with older clients, you have to make sure that they thoroughly understand everything that you're going over with them. They have to be competent, and you have to make sure that even the font size is legible. Question number 7. Who enforces California insurance laws? That would be the CDI, the California Department of Insurance. Any type of violations are reported to them, and then you have to deal directly with them if your license gets suspended or if it needs to be reinstated. Any type of matters, you're going to go directly to the California Department of Insurance. Question number 8. What is replacement? So replacement is exchanging an existing policy for a new one, and clients can do that. You can replace policies as much as you like. Question number 9, what form is required for replacement? That would be a notice regarding replacement of life insurance or annuities. You have to send a formal notice for that to your insurance company. Question number 10, what is twisting? That is misleading a client to replace a policy unfairly. That's twisting. Okay guys, so that's day 6. At this point, you have 60 questions. And remember, this is an 80 question test. You only need 45 to pass. This, along with your Excel, along with your cheat sheet, along with your study guide that I'm gonna give you, should have you really prepared for the test. But we're gonna keep going through. I'm gonna have 200 questions total that you can memorize, because you're also learning the information in multiple different ways. So this is just something that works for me. And it's something that's easy to digest and easy for you guys to get through. That's why we're doing it this way.